Popular dancehall entertainer Jacure arrested for stabbing a promoter in Amsterdam. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Link 007 TV News Report. Renowned reggae artist Jacques, whose real name is Sekecha Alclock, was reportedly arrested in Netherlands on the weekend of October the 2nd for allegedly stabbing a promoter, Nicholas Blake. According to reports, Jacques was scheduled to perform at an event in Amsterdam when the incident reportedly occurred. It is unclear if Blake's entertainment company Roots Vibes was promoting an event attended by Jacure or exactly what led to the alleged incident in Amsterdam between Jacure and Blake, also known as Papa. Jacure, a well-known artist, is said to have recorded a number of singles while serving a sentence in prison in 1999 for a rape case. The career of reggae dancehall entertainer Jacure was plunged into fresh turmoil over the weekend. The entertainer was reportedly arrested by Amsterdam police following an altercation with a promoter and himself. Jacquier has had previous run-ins with the law. He was charged with illegal possession of firearm, rape and robbery with aggravation, and following his conviction received a 15-year sentence in 1999 but was released early in 2007 after serving only 8 years. 4 years later, he went on trial on drug possession charges after police found a small quantity of marijuana in the artist's motor vehicle during a spot check in St. Andrew. The Grammy-nominated reggae artist allegedly stabbed Blake, the head of Roots Vibe Promotion, who was reportedly instrumental in getting the entertainer a booking in the European country. We'll continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.